Hey everybody, today we're headed to Canton, Pennsylvania to the Manly Bowlayer Farm. Now they're having a blacksmithing class and it's one that we participated in 2 years ago, and we put a video together for that. I'll put a link to the episode up above. It's a really neat event. If you're interested in blacksmithing, it's definitely something you want to check out. Gene Kennedy with Rekindle the Spirit puts it together, and Merle Eifert is the master blacksmith who teaches the class. And they do it, there's 2 classes a year. It's usually every June, back-to-back weekends. The class is limited typically to, I think, 10 people. And they opened it up this year. Dad got in, he's there now. I had a prior engagement this morning that I was at. But he got in this year for the full class, and when I called, I talked to Gene, and he said that they already had it opened up to 13 people. So they typically like to keep it between 10 or 12. So if you're interested, it's definitely something you're going to want to get in ahead of time. You're not going to want to wait till the week before and hope to get a spot. So Dad's been there all day. I'm not sure what project he's working on, whether it's a door knocker or a pot holder or candle stick holder. Every year they always make something neat that you can take home with you, and it's not an all-day class. I think it's like 9 to 2 or 9 to 4. So the year before when we did it, at the end of the class, Merle gives everybody the opportunity to grab another piece of material and kind of do whatever they want with it. So I'm hoping to be able to get up here today and make a bracket to hang that 11 point on. I thought it'd be really neat. We were originally just going to build some kind of a bracket for it, a piece of steel or something from, home improvement store. And I thought, well, this might be a neat opportunity to pound on some steel and make our own bracket. So hopefully we'll be able to do that for this 11 point. So I'm traveling east on 414, and it's a winding road, so I'm going to put the camera down and enjoy the scenery here these last 10 miles into Canton. So.
My second door handle. They asked if the video crew was coming.
Basically just 2 bends.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, 56 or 67. Okay. Pretty much, life's a journey, not a destination, right?
This was the part up in the head.
Yeah.
All right, so we're just going to go pretty close.
Okay, Dad. He's in the 50s, so you have to excuse me. Yeah, we will. I don't understand what you say about how you keep pushing. Short, my parents said the same thing about playing. Now there's this guy. This kid looks like a nice old. Very good. Yeah, there's some. Except for that rap for me. The other whole way now, we back to that 40s.
My daughter's 40.
I should be asked. My grandfather loved wood music. Not for like the last couple of years, but I've actually listened to 80s music.
That's about it.
A lot of wood music.
Maybe just a little bit more on the bend.
But it is, but a lot of it's organ and keyboard and stuff, rather early 80s music.
Pretty close.
Heavy metal, country.
I'm not much for country.
All right, so
Yep.
Not the new stuff.
All right, here's the light switch.
You get some video of it too.
Here's the pipe cleaner. So we're pretty close to what you had on the pipe cleaner, except for the hole that's up here. I put the 2 holes down there, figuring you couldn't get the screwdriver in
Right.
too easily. And there's a couple, there's screws you can use that will go through the wall of the 2x4. And then I don't know if you can see with a file, there's just like a little bit of a
Oh yeah.
square right in there. So when this goes up in, like if you go up a little bit too far, now it's going to be,
Right.
but if you just come back to right there, then it's pretty solid and it'll stay.
Heck yeah, that'll work.
And then I think that was a good idea. You come
Yeah.
up with the Z. So that's pretty cool. And like I said, there's a couple of screws. And if we have to put something up there, I can just run a tap through there. We can figure out where it's at here and drill another hole and put a screw in. And then I even thought something like a cotter pin if you just wanted something so it, you know, wouldn't tip left or right or somebody, or maybe vibration, or somebody couldn't just grab it off the wall or whatever. But yeah, that'll work good. That's an awesome deer. 13 point. 13! I shoot him, I'm done. Okay, you wanna help me put this on the wall? Because this deer deserves to be on the wall here. I'm kind of thinking right here. That stud here. It's a little close to the clock, but.
If you'd like more information about blacksmithing, be sure to check out the video in the link above. And as always, make sure you hit that bell icon so that you're the first notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.